Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we are going to do is, as I showed you the unboxing of a tripod which can rotate itself, it's just another device which you can add to your camera or anything. Today we are going to see the demo. So let's start with that. So as you see, I'm actually using the tripod now. So as you see, this is the camera, my Lumix, and the tripod is attached to that. So if I just keep my palm and move this side, or if I little bit stand and move this side, even the tripod moves along with me. It's so simple, and there's nothing more you can do about it. So let me just switch this thing on. So this is on now. So when I move, even the tripod is moving along with me, and I'm not going out of angle. So for example, if I just stand like this and move like this, the tripod moves along with me. So fixing it is very simple. Let me just show you the step by step how to go ahead and fix this. You see, this is the normal tripod which I'm using down, and this is the small device over it, and the camera is over that. So you can see like I'm recording over here. You can see the mic attached and also the tripod. So it's as simple as that. And let me just go to the main cam again. So this is the camera I'm talking about, where it goes ahead and moves along with the tripod. So let's go ahead and check this out. Here, as you can see that, and that senses the motion in this device. Now it's in red, that means the battery is a little bit low. But this is costing only about $1,800, and you can attach it to any camera, any mobile, whatever. They do have the additional parts over there where you can attach it to anything you would like. If you like this video, please do leave a like and subscribe on the channel. And next time I'll be coming with another marvelous video, and we will catch at that time. Until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog. My name is Kamal, and you do have a wonderful day ahead.